Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Sunday, which means I'm back at Aldi. I'm excited to be back on Sunday this week after missing last week for Easter. I like routine, so it's fun to be back here. I do have another smaller haul this week. We still have excess groceries from spending a little over $300 the week of Easter. I know everyone gets concerned when I don't buy a ton of food, but I promise you my family is fed. We have plenty of food and we're not about to run out in our pantry either. So we're gonna get into the store, we're gonna get our groceries for the week, and I'll share with you our meal plan at the end. Our store is absolutely stocked with shrubs. They have these kids chairs that are $15. They have ottomans in the back. We have this waste bin from last year. It worked phenomenally outside. I think last year it's $40, this year it's $49.99. They have salad carriers, cupcake carriers, and then the treadmill, the workbench, and the Olympic system are all on clearance. Lots left. My son loves these as a snack. We're running low, $1.95. We're going to have charcuterie this week, so I need some crackers, $2.29 for these. $2.39, I'm going to get the cracked pepper. And then finally, I'm going to get the Clubhouse crackers for $2.75. And I'm going to get golden rounds for $2.15. I like that both of these you can open one sleeve at a time and they last for a long time. Okay, Italian bread is on my list this week. We're having beef stew, but I'm going to get two of them, one for the freezer, so they'll be $1.15 each. My daughters want chips and salsa in their lunch this week, so I'm going to get chips for $1.68, and I'm going to get this medium Casa Mamita salsa for $1.55. White bread, 97 cents, basically for toast, peanut butter and jellies. My family loves mangoes, so I'm going to get like 3 of them at 79 cents a piece, and I'll peel one for a dinner. Red grapes for the girls' lunches, $1.45 a pound. I'm going to get some bananas, but they all look pretty old, so the good thing is I want them for smoothies so I can peel them and freeze them. They're 39 cents a pound. I'm getting mini cucumbers for lunches for my girls. I'll get an unopened bag though. $2.49 for the bag. I'm going to get a bag of green beans for lunches, $1.65. I air fry these. My family loves them. I get a bag of Pink Lady apples. They're $3.49 for the bag. My kids love to snack on apples. I've never in my life paid $3 for a gallon of milk, but here we are. I'm going to get a gallon of orange juice for $3.99. Running low on peanut butter, $3.39. So, I planned a dinner with cherry tomatoes this week, and they literally don't have a single tomato. What is going on here? I'm going to get garlic stuffed olives for charcuterie night, $2.99. I'm going to get the quartered artichoke hearts and marinade, $2.65. And then I'm also going to get banana peppers, the pepperoncinis, $1.85. Okay guys, this is almost too good to be true. Is this an actual, like, it doesn't say Aldi Find anymore, so does that mean that this is here to stay? My literal favorite Aldi item. I'm getting one bag at $1.96, but this is my favorite thing ever, and if this is an all the time thing, I'm the happiest Aldi addict ever. I am stocking up on granola bars just because these are easy, like track meat snacks, and we're running low. $1.39. Whoops, I don't want that one. $1.39 for the peanut ones. I personally actually love these. And then I'm going to get a couple boxes of the granola bar variety pack at $1.15 a piece. And I'm going to get a couple boxes of the dipped ones. Whoops, sorry. $1.29. Again, this is a stack up in my pantry. My husband asked me to get cereal, so I'm going to get him the Cinnamon Balance. He loves this. And let's see here. I'm going to get cocoa rice at $1.75 and $1.43 for fruit rounds. Okay, so These are so cute. I do not need a gnome. I do not need a gnome. I'm convincing myself. I mean, how cute would it be, though, to get one to represent each of my children? They are just way adorable. But I'm not going to do it because I'm not a decor person, and I hate pulling it out and putting it away. But they're super cute. Maybe I'll regret it and come back. But these are only $5 a piece. And the giant ones are also really cute. And they're $9 a piece. Lots of Mother's Day cards. Oh, cooler than mom jeans. Best mom ever. I love Aldi cards. This is a weekender bag. I saw this and thought they looked really nice. They have different patterns. I love these flats. They're like rainbow cork. How cute are those? All the Aldi flats like this, so my feet are a little too big for them. So I just have to be jealous and share them with you guys. $7.99. They have rainbows for $14.99. Lots of different ones. It looks like they have dots in pink here. Flats for girls. Oh, I love these curtain lights. Okay, so it's 8 feet long and a 16 vertical drop. I'm actually going to buy these for my YouTube studio where I record on my other channel for fasting. I've kind of wanted background lights like this, so let's see how these go. I'm going to consider getting these for my other channel. I thought about getting this for my son for kindergarten next year. He needs a water bottle, but the whole lid comes off, and I don't trust him that big with that much of a spill. They have essential oils, the umbrellas, waste baskets, and caddies, blankets. Cute tableware. A bamboo electric griddle, that's really cute. The air fryer, I love my air fryer. I didn't get it from here, but I love having an air fryer. I think these are so beautiful. Trunk organizer, lots of fun things here. Umbrella stand, loppers, pizza pans, bamboo steamer. We are chucked full in our Aldi Finds aisle. Tumbling composter. I've been tempted to get one of these, but I don't know if I'd keep up on it. Edging for gardens, planters, cat scratcher, cat house, the welcome signs. This is hilarious. A pet tent. They're $30. These are on clearance for $129. Chainsaw still here. We bought 2 of these last year. My kids still love and use them, so I would highly recommend those. We also have the accent bench was marked down at our store from $129 to $89.99. We just, honestly, if you look, our aisle is just chocked full of everything. They still have some Easter basket stuff. So many items. This is a fun end cap. Lots of different Spanish or Tex-Mex style stuff. I'm not going to get this, but that looks fun. Lots of yummies. I'm going to get brown gravy for mashed potatoes, 30 cents. I'm looking for ground red pepper. I don't think they carry it here. I am getting linguine for a red pepper roasted tomato pasta dish, $1.99. I'm getting beef broth for $1.29 and onion soup mix for 79 cents. I found stew beef in my freezer that I need to use up, so I'm making beef stew this week, and I have every other vegetable on hand for it. I don't know if we'll make them this week, but my 10-year-old begged me to get chewy fudgy brownie mix. She loves these. We all love these. 98 cents. My husband requested chocolate syrup, $1.75. You guys, these Texas Tamale Company tamales are literally one of my favorite freezer foods. I buy them in a local store. I get chicken, black bean, or beef. They're absolutely amazing, and I'm super excited to see them here. And that's actually a really good price. I normally find them closer to like $9 or $10, and that's amazing. I'm not grabbing them because they're not on the meal plan, but if they're here next week, you know you'll see it on my meal plan. I wish they had black bean for my vegetarian. but they're amazing, and I had to tell you them. They have these shrimp taco mixes. They look super fun. Obviously, I don't eat seafood, but they're new, and it looks like they're $4.99 a piece. They have the mini quiches over there. Different German potato things are still here, and the strudels. Lobster mac and cheese. So they still have the mini non-panadas. We didn't eat ours last week. That meal got moved to this week's meal plan, but I look forward to having them still. The potato blends are clearanced here. I'm not getting any. They have more of the different street tacos. They have pork carnitas and fish. They're $10 a piece. They're over there. Pierogies, skillets for fajitas. Dino nuggets, lots of different pizzas. Ooh, coffee ice cream. $4.49 for specialty ice cream. That's a little pricey for me. Different frozen blends for smoothies. Looks like they target one as keto. I'm not getting either of these, but I used to buy them at Target. Super good. Cookie dough chunks and the Magnum minis, about $4.50 to $5 each. Lots of ice cream, Temptations. I'm getting a pack of the tangerine water. I have to dig all the way back there, but it's $2.95 a piece. I am going to get this. It's not on my meal plan for this week, but I want to have these in the freezer. Sometimes I do 500 calorie down days as an intermittent faster. Totally different subject, but these chicken sausages look really good, and they're $3.79. I'm getting mild cheddar for $1.85 and Colby Jack for $1.85 for our charcuterie dinner. $2.45 for roasted pine nut hummus. This will be for charcuterie. We'll dip carrots and some mini cucumbers in it. There are lots of outdoor items hitting my store this week. They have this propane patio heater, $170. They have a gas grill for $2.49. We'll keep moving. They have this conversation set. It's $139, and they have many of them at my store. They also have the gazebo, and they have lots of them, $199. And they have a lot more bushes and shrubs. I am the world's worst gardener, so I'm not getting any of it. But they have them. I did not have this on my list, but my son loves these. $4.59 for an 8-pack is a pretty good deal. But this is my cart. Any guesses on my total? It's a little more full than I expected it to be. Okay, does that not look eerily similar to my cat? Did they steal my cat for their model? And they also have the rockers and seats over there. Okay, so here it all is, and it costs $89.21. I got a new menu board this week. People always ask me where my menu board is from, and this one actually comes with magnetic stands. So I can put my stands on, and my board can be vertical or horizontal. So it could be horizontal this way, or it could stand vertically this way. And that makes it really versatile. And I like that it doesn't say menu up here, so that we can take this outside and put drinks on here. We could just have a welcome sign. I'm able to use this for more than just the menu. So I upgraded. So I have linked not only my chalk markers, but the board below. Okay, our meal plan for the week is a roasted tomato pasta with bread. I have to find cherry tomatoes at a different store because, as you saw, Aldi had absolutely no tomatoes. We are going out to eat. My daughter has a track practice out of town. She actually has 2 of them, so we will be eating dinner on the road at one point. I have everything on hand to make chicken and dumplings, mashed potatoes, and I have asparagus from Imperfect Foods delivery, so we are having that early in the week. I found stew beef in my freezer, so I'm making beef stew. We had this dinner rollover from last week, butter chicken, non-panadas with cauliflower rice, white rice, and then the steamed broccoli. We're having charcuterie. I will have the hummus, grapes, all the different olives, and we have pickles, cheese, crackers. That'll just be a very yummy meal for us to kind of pick what we all like individually. And then we're also going to have a leftover dinner. So whatever is left over from these, we will have it together. If you want to see a video where I share how I've made an all Aldi charcuterie in the past, it always changes every single time I make one, but you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.